Hey everybody, it's John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur here, and you're tuned into the J Moore Unboxing channel. Today on our channel, we are going to unbox the new and improved Arctic Air Tower, an evaporative air cooling tower. So it's kind of like a little mini air conditioner with some new features. So we'll just open this box here, which just had a little plastic tab. So first thing you're gonna get is a manual, and you're also gonna get a quick start guide. Let's just take a look at that. All right, so it basically tells you how to plug it in, to fill the tank with water using a pitcher, turn on the unit, and enjoy. So this unit does require water because it's gonna do a lot more than just cool the air, which we're gonna learn in a few moments. And then you get a little card here that just tells you for best results to pre-soak the filter, place it in the freezer for maximum cooling, and fill it with pitcher. And then it tells you how to do filter cleaning. Sounds like a lot of work. We'll go ahead and just all right. So it looks like we get a tower here. And then in here, looks like we get half of the stand, and then we get the other half of the stand right here, and that kind of goes together. And the plug is on the back, so that gets put together like that. So this is just the unboxing. We're gonna go through and do a review on the product in a few weeks, so you'll get to see exactly how this product works and the truth about it. Remember, on the J Moore Reviews channel, manufacturers can't tell us what to say. I tell you the truth, how it works, how it doesn't. We'll see you back real soon for another J Moore unboxing or another J Moore review real soon. And remember, if you have a product that you would like to get unboxed, just visit jmor.com. In the top right-hand corner, click on the Reach Out button and let us know that you have a product. You'll need to donate it to us and pay for the shipping to us, and we'll go ahead and do an unboxing and a review for you and let people know about your product. I'll see you real soon. I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, with another J Moore review video.